Hey there, design dreamers. Welcome to Usiva Designs. Ready to dive in? Let's roll. Let's get started with button component. Step 1. Open Figma and create a new file or use an existing one. Create a new frame where you'll design your button component. Rename the frame. Within the frame, design your button using shapes, text, and other elements. Make sure to create a button that can be easily reused with different content. I am using auto layout for this button. Once you have designed your button, select all the elements that make up the button. Right-click on the selected elements and choose Create Component from the context menu, or use the shortcut Command+Option+K for Mac, or Control+Alt+K for Windows to create a component. Name your component. Give it a meaningful name like button or primary button. If your button has different states, for example, normal, hover, pressed, you can create variants for each state. To create variants, click on the Add Variant button in the top bar, and then name and design each state as needed.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
To use the button, simply click on the Components tab in the left sidebar, and you'll find your newly created button component listed there. Drag and drop the button component from the Components tab onto your canvas to use it. When you place an instance of the button component on your canvas, you can customize it without affecting the original component. To customize an instance, simply select it and make changes to the content or appearance as needed.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
If you want to make changes to the original button component, you can do so by editing the main component. Double-click on it. Any changes you make to the main component will automatically be reflected in all instances of that component in your design. If you enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more exciting content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Remember, subscribing is just a click away, and it makes a world of difference to us. Your support keeps us motivated to create more engaging content for you.